7 days of letting go and emotional healing. Day 2, release past hurt and tension. Find a quiet space where you can fully relax and feel safe. Allow your body to settle into a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing tension. Take another deep breath and feeling your chest expand. Exhale and let your shoulders drop. Allow your breathing to become natural and steady. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Notice any lingering tension in your body. Without judgment, simply observe what you feel. Bring to mind a past hurt you are ready to release. You are safe to acknowledge this feeling now. Notice where this tension lives in your body. Gently breathe into that space. With each inhale, bring awareness and compassion. With each exhale, soften and release. Imagine this tension as a tight knot slowly loosening. Feel it becoming lighter with every breath. You're not your past pain. You are the awareness that can release it. Allow yourself to forgive gently at your own pace. There is no need to rush this process. Each breath creates more space within you. Let that space be filled with calm and ease. Imagine a warm light surrounding your body. This light gently dissolves all remaining tension. You are supported in this moment. You are allowed to feel and to release. Take a deeper breath and inviting peace. Exhale and let go of what no longer serves you. Feel your body becoming lighter and more open. Notice the calm spreading through your chest. Allow your mind to soften and quiet. Rest in this gentle state of release. You're healing with every breath you take. You are moving forward with more ease. Take a moment to appreciate your progress. Begin to bring awareness back to your body. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a slow, deep breath in. Exhale and feel grounded and present. Carry this sense of release with you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Return to your day with a lighter heart. You have taken a powerful step in your healing. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.